Hello, you know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and today I'm drinking a very interesting drink. Has coffee in it, but it's not really a coffee drink. But if you want to know what I'm drinking and how to make it, you'll have to watch my next video coming up this week. So make sure you're subscribed for videos on coffee recipes, reviews, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. But today's video, I know you're all here for the announcement giveaway winner. I want to say thank you to everyone who entered my giveaway, and we have a lot of people that entered. We have about 100 comments, 100 entries, and about 12 bonus entries, and you got a bonus entry if you also followed me on Instagram. And if you want to follow me and find more fun coffee and behind the scenes stuff there, you could follow me on Instagram at House of Sid, and Sid with a C, not an S. So yeah, we're ready to announce the winner. And like I said, we have 321 subscribers now. Yay, thank you everyone. I really appreciate it. I'm grateful to everyone who's watching these videos, giving a thumbs up, commenting, and subscribing. So thank you to everyone, and let's see who's gonna get the gift card. Remember, the winner is going to get a gift card of their choice. You could choose a Amazon gift card, Bed Bath & Beyond gift card, or Target gift card. So when I announce the winner, you'll have to email me and let me know what's your favorite store and what gift card do you want, okay? So let's see who the winner is. The winner of their gift card of choice, $50 gift card for House of Sid's very first giveaway is and the winner is Tanya M. Salcido. You are the winner of House of Sid $50 gift card. Yay! Congratulations. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comment. And your comment, when I asked what's your favorite coffee, you said, I love Voltesso Espresso from Nespresso. And drink it daily. I add a touch of sugar and heavy cream. You should try it. I will. It reminds me of my mornings in Italy. One day I will be having coffee in Italy and all these wonderful coffee countries. But Tanya, you're the winner. Email me at houseofsid@gmail.com. I will leave the link to my email in the comments or the description of this video. Email me. You have 72 hours, 3 days. So by Thursday morning, I want to see an email from you and letting me know if you want a Amazon gift card, Amazon gift card, Bed Bath & Beyond gift card, or a Target gift card. Wow, that's gonna be a tough choice, but you're gonna have $50 to go shopping and have some fun, maybe buy some more coffee, I don't know. But let me know what you decide, what card you want, what store, and what you end up buying. I'm very curious to see. So make sure you stick around later this week for the video and find out what I'm drinking here. Also, I have a new video series called Cafecito Adventures. I posted a video on Sunday. I hope you watched it. And it's just some of my adventures at different coffee shops that I've been to, that I love, that I just discovered, either recommended through Yelp or on my vacations and trips, just walking around the cities. So make sure you go watch that, and more Cafecito Adventures coming soon. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone who entered. And yes, I do have more giveaways coming. I have some ideas, and I think you're gonna like them, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So Make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications so you know when my videos are coming up and when you know a new giveaway is coming up. So don't forget, it's always cafecito time at House of Sid. Thanks everyone. We'll see you next week. Bye.